tonight because there's some stuff going on, you know. And I've been doing a lot of thinking this week. And anyway, the first thing that I would like to say is that I am so thrilled. For many, many months, I've got to go out there. I can't do it. I can't do it if I can't see it. For many, many months now, myself and the band and many of our fans have been praying for our fan club president, Carrie's mom, Barbara. And she has recovered from something very, very serious. She was in the hospital for a very long time. And she's here tonight for the first time back in such a long time. We missed you, Barbara. We are very happy that you're here again with us. You so are. Awesome.
Thank you.
All right. My mom,